Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix bad Snapchat quality. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is head over to your settings app, and once you're inside your settings, scroll down, then tap on general. Once you're inside general, tap on iPhone storage. And once you're inside your iPhone storage, scroll down and then locate Snapchat and then tap on it. And once you're inside here, tap on offload app. What this does is it resets the app by clearing all the bugs and glitches that is present in the app, which might be causing the issue that you are facing. And once that process is complete, tap on delete app. And once that process is complete, all you gotta do is try again. And if that still doesn't fix the issue, then what you need to do is head over to your app store, and on the search bar simply type in Snapchat and check to see if the app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issue that you are facing, so just simply updating the app to the latest version will probably fix the issue. And that's basically how to fix bad Snapchat quality. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.